Greetings, greetings, greetings. No, Jesus did tell him follower them, say them fi be good to the people them, we hate them and do bad things to them. Them fi be kind to them enemy them. So, you think say, the same God we give it the rule fi live by, would I live by the same rule himself? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now at the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right as so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 27 to verse 36. All of you will listen me. You feel love no enemy them and treat the people them we hate to know good. Anybody we curse you, bless them. And pray for the one them we not deal with no good. If somebody backs on one side of no face, turn the next side give them. If somebody take no jacket, no tap in front, take no shirt too. If anybody beg on for sitting where no have, give them. And if nobody take away few sitting them, no ask them back feet. Deal with people the way uno want them deal with uno. If uno love only the people them will love uno. We begin at that. Even the wrongdoer them love people will love them. And even if uno do good for the people them will good to uno, we begin at that. All the wrongdoer them do that too. If uno lend to people when you think can pay uno back, we begin at that. All wrongdoer lend to them one another and expect to get back all the way they lend. Uno feel love the people them we hate to know. Do good to people. Lend and no expect to get back nothing. Cause God a go pay you back big time. God kind to the people them we wicked and we no give thanks. So when uno do this, that shows say uno are really the most high God picnic. Uno feel good to people, all if they no deserve it. Just like your Father good to people. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.